Messy fridge and cluttered drinks everywhere. Try this slow-motion drink pusher. Spring, damper and gear design. Always glides forward slowly. No worrying about excessive force crushing. Keeps your drinks always at the front. Place the T-rail parallel on the table. Keep the wider side facing inward. Snap the dividers onto the T-rail. Then snap the pusher onto the T-rail. Repeat the process. Slow motion drink pusher is all set up. Push the pusher to the back. Lock it in place for easy replenish. Press again to unlock and let it glide smoothly. Easily handles large bottles too. Adjust the dividers to fit various drink size. Grab and glide smoothly. A perfectly neat and organized fridge. Clutter-free and deeply satisfying.